Let's factorize. The first thing we do before we do any type of factorization is to check the highest common factor. In this case, I can see that 16 can go into 1 into 432, but how many times? Let's see, divided by 16, it goes 27 times. So firstly, I take out the highest common factor. So here I'm left with y cubed minus 27. Okay. Now, the nice thing is inside the bracket, I have a difference of 2 cubes. So I'm going to have 16, small bracket, and a bigger bracket. And I'm going to work it out on my side. Ne? So remember, y cubed will break into y times y times y. Ne? 27 will break into 3 times 3 times 3. You need to break it down into 3 equal parts because we're doing cubes. Ne? If you're doing difference of 2 squares, you break it into 2 equal parts. All right? If you remember, you start this way. Ne? So the first part, you take y and 3. Then this sign always comes there. So minus 3 there. And then whatever remains will go into the second bracket. Y times y is y squared. So we're going to have y squared here. 3 times 3 is 9. So we're going to have 9 there. Ne? You can see I'm just timesing. Y times 3 is 3y. Is in the middle. Ne? Then now let's talk about signs. This one and that one are always opposite. So this will be a plus because the first one is a minus. And then the last one is always a plus. And ladies and gentlemen, that is fully factorized. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And keep on pushing because maths never sleeps.